Hello, Dad. You know, I remember a lifetime ago when I was about 3.5 feet tall, weighing 60 pounds, but every inch of your daughter. You know, I remember those Saturday mornings going to work with my dad. Would climb into that big green truck. And I thought that was the biggest truck in the universe, Pop. I remember how important the job we did was. How, if it wasn't for us, people would freeze to death. I remember those home videos when Mom would dress up like Loretta Young, barbecues, football games, ice cream, playing with the tuna. And when I left for California, only to come home with the FBI chasing me. And that FBI agent Trout had to kneel down to put my boots on. And you just said, "That's where you belong, you son of a bitch. Putting on George's boots." That was a good one, Pop. And remember that time when you told me that money wasn't real. Well, old man, I'm 28 years old. And I finally understand what you were trying to tell me so many years ago. I finally understand. You're the best, Bob. I wish I could have done more for you. I wish we had more time. Anyway, may the wind always be at your back and the sun always upon your face. And may the wings of destiny carry you aloft to dance with the stars. I love you, Dad.